And what's interesting for you to know is every single day there's 4 million in-market auto shoppers leveraging YouTube every day. So in your area, that means that's somebody who is ready to buy a car in the next 30 days, someone who's going to help you make your bottom line. You have the opportunity to target just those customers in your area on platforms like YouTube when they're consuming content. Whether that content is the Volkswagen Jetta research they're doing, or whether that content is them catching up on clips of Jimmy Fallon last night, we know they're in market and it's impactful for you to get your message in front of those customers. When we talk about where consumers are looking for automotive content, this is again from our Path to Purchase study, we find that customers do turn to YouTube as they're researching vehicles. It's the top platform they go to watch videos on automotive, related to automotive. Behind that, of course, is the manufacturer sites. Facebook's doing a lot of great things with video, auto review sites. And I want to highlight your video on your dealership website as well. While we're at 28% and trailing some of these other sources, I want to encourage you to continue to invest on your websites with video. A few years ago, you weren't even showing up on this chart. Customers weren't even going to your sites or saying your sites were useful as it related to watching video content and learning more about cars. So I really challenge you to continue the good work you're doing with your agency partners and what you might be doing in-house to build out your video content to meet the consumer's needs.